Welcome to the future. Picture a world where your shoes are 3D printed, your hair changes color with just a touch, and yachts conquer the ocean's waves. Well, that future is now. Strap in as we dive into 10 mind-blowing inventions that will revolutionize how we live, travel, and experience the world. Ever dreamed of striding like a mythical creature? The Cryptide sneaker isn't just footwear, it's a portal to the future. Fully 3D printed and inspired by legendary cryptids, these sneakers merge fashion with science fiction. With its avant-garde structure and sock-like fit, the Cryptide redefines comfort and style in one seamless, futuristic creation. Imagine transforming your finger into a high-tech computer mouse. The Padrone ring revolutionizes any surface into a touchpad, empowering you to command your computer with just a flick of your fingers. No wires, no desk, just pure, unadulterated futuristic magic. Imagine a world where your home generates pure, clean water from the very air you breathe. CaraPure makes this futuristic vision a reality. This cutting-edge air-to-water dispenser conjures up to 10 liters of pristine alkaline water daily by harnessing atmospheric moisture. Simply plug it in and transform your home into a self-sustaining oasis, ushering in a new era of sustainable living. Imagine stepping into the future, where augmented reality transforms your car. WayRay's holographic AR display projects navigation, traffic alerts, and even entertainment directly onto your windshield. Say goodbye to looking down at a screen. Your entire field of vision is now a digital dashboard. Say goodbye to traffic jams. Your next ride could be soaring above the city. Introducing the Nexus air taxi, crafted for on-demand urban travel, with vertical liftoff and smooth glides through the skyline like a scene from a sci-fi blockbuster. Is this the dawn of a new era in daily commutes? Fed up with the chaos of home hair dyeing? Enter the future with L'Oreal Colorsonic, transforming hair coloring into a breeze. Simply load the color cartridge, press a button, and let the intelligent bristles work their magic. No drips, no mess, just flawless salon-quality results right at home. Imagine reaching out and actually feeling the metaverse. No gloves required. The Emerge Wave 1 harnesses ultrasonic waves to conjure real, tangible sensations right in midair. Picture shaking hands with someone across the globe in virtual reality or immersing yourself in breathtaking digital art. This groundbreaking device makes virtual reality feel astonishingly real. Introducing BellaBot, the most charming food delivery robot you'll ever encounter. Engineered to glide through bustling restaurants, BellaBot delivers meals with pinpoint accuracy while engaging with customers through touch, voice, and its expressive digital eyes. It's part waiter, part companion, and entirely futuristic. Imagine a future where luxury isn't confined to jets. The Hill HX50 is a personal helicopter that redefines elegance and innovation. With its panoramic windows, sleek design, and ultra-modern cockpit, it's the ultimate futuristic ride for those who crave to soar in style. Imagine a yacht so advanced it defies the very waves of the ocean. The Martini 6.0 boasts a revolutionary electric suspension system that keeps the deck impeccably level, even as the ocean roars beneath it. Say goodbye to seasickness and hello to a future of smooth, effortless sailing. From self-dyeing hairbrushes to flying taxis, the future isn't coming, it's already here. Which of these futuristic inventions blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing tech.